If you own Pixel 8, then you must try this camera tip. When the camera is on, you normally go to video and then start recording. You can also long press the camera button and you can start recording. This feature is also available in some other phones also, like this Nothing Phone 2. In this Nothing Phone 2, when you long press the camera shutter button, you can record a video. But there is one special thing about this Pixel 8. When you long press a camera button in Pixel 8, it starts recording, and also it would give you some more information which you can use it later after stopping this video. Let me stop this video, and when you start playing, there are 4 dots here. So Google Pixel gives you couple of shots, the best shots which you can export later. Let's say if you like this shot, then you can click on this export, and here also you can choose the best shot you need while recording the video. When I say export HDR shot, let's close this, go to Pixel. See, here is the shot. This is something new in Pixel 8 only. Subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon.